Have you ever bought something, a car, a watch, or maybe even a pair of shoes, and as soon as you hand over that money, something in your gut just tells you that you paid an unfair price? You see, that was me back in the day. Back in college, I used to be a huge sneaker enthusiast. I would own anything from Retro 1 Lost and Founds, to the Retro 11s, to the Retro 4 Red Thunders, Yeezys, slides, Gucci slides, etc. But what ultimately ended up killing my passion for sneakers is when resellers will always try to buy up the entire inventory and raise the prices to even triple or double the price of market value. You see, the problem is every single day, millions of people overpay for assets they don't fully understand, and sellers will often take advantage of that by overpricing items and sneaking in extra fees and taxes. Buyers are just second guessing, and with that information gap, it costs regular people billions of dollars. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is exactly why I built ValueX, the world's first AI-powered universal asset management and valuation tool. What if you could just point your camera at everything and know exactly what it's worth in seconds? ValueX is an AI-powered app that lets you take a photo of any asset you own, whether that's a car, a watch, sneakers, jewelry, a household item, clothing, or maybe even real estate. And in seconds, AI-powered valuation tells you if the price is fair and even detects something is fake. But we call that clone detection. And this all comes with a confidence score, which indicates how confident the AI is in its answer. The app will analyze photos, cross-reference live market data, checks comparable sales, and gives you a clear verdict: overpriced, undervalued, or fair market value. It also pulls the full sale history of the asset and every previous owner, every price it sold for, and calculates the current market value based on real depreciation data. But ValueX isn't just a valuation tool. We're building something much bigger. We're building an entire ecosystem. A digital vault where you can track everything you own like a stock portfolio. A community where you can connect with previous owners, discuss deals, and verify authenticity together. From real estate, to cars, to jewelry, to sneakers, electronics, watches, household items, everything is peer-to-peer, starting with watches and shoes, and we're trying to expand to every asset class you can think of. And here's what it gets very different. ValueX will be incorporating a peer-to-peer transaction system. And instead of having to sell an item just to buy another, you can negotiate directly with the buyers and sellers on the platform. Let's say you want to swap your watch for someone else's Jordans. Done. You want to exchange your car for something else of equal value? We can also make that happen. No middleman, no fees to third party, just two people making a deal. And on top of that, every transaction on ValueX has the option of being completed with crypto. Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDC, no banks, no waiting 3 to 5 business days. You find a deal, you agree on a price, and you close it instantly. In crypto, peer-to-peer directly on the platform. No middleman, no third-party fees, just two people making a deal on their own terms. Alright, so who is this app built for? Whether you're a real estate investor driving for dollars, a sneakerhead trying not to get scammed, or someone who wants to know what their stuff is actually worth, ValueX is built for you. I am building this company from the ground up, and I want you guys to be there with me from day one. So, for the people who join my waitlist, they will get exclusive early access, as well as a first look at new features. The link is in the description below. I will also putting it down in the comment section. All you have to do is click the link and register with your email, and you're in. It takes 10 seconds. My name is Zeke, the founder of ValueX.ai, and before this video ends, I want to ask you guys for one last favor. If you guys can go down there and hit the red subscribe button for me, so you can follow my journey as I build ValueX from the ground up. And as always, I'll see you in the next one.